This is powder coating,
which is what we will be using to refurbish the alloys on this Lamborghini Performante, and it allows us to get a before and after finish like this.
Preparation is key to getting a factory fresh finish. What we are looking to do is make the alloy smooth around the edges, on the spokes and inside and out. Without preparation, none of this would be possible. What we are looking to do is make the alloy smooth around the edges, on the spokes and inside and out. Then, when it comes to actually powder coating the alloy,
we will get a nice, smooth, even finish.
You need to stick around to the end of the video to see the alloys on this Lamborghini. Applying the powder coat is incredibly important. One mistake could mean the whole process has failed. We will apply a powdered lacquer to the alloy to give it a gloss-like finish. We have to check the quality of the alloys after it's been powder coated. Then, once we are happy with the quality, the alloy will then be taken to cool down naturally. Now, let's finally put this alloy on the car. The wheel will be taken to the rebalancing machine. This is to make sure that the wheel spins properly when on the road. So, here is the moment you've all been waiting for. The alloys have been refurbished and put back on the car. We are now waiting for the customer to collect. The alloys are gloss black, so no colour change here. As you could see from the start of the video, all the scuff damage that was on the alloys have now been refurbished. If you are impressed with the difference that we have made to these alloys, then why not drop a like on the video? That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye.